In this video, we're going to install the Pro3 or Pro7 tank, which dispenses instant boiling water. For this installation, you will need a hand drill, a pipe cutter, or hacksaw, and a set of spanners from sizes 10 to 24. You will also need PVC glue, a piece of 15mm copper piping, about 50mm in length, and a T-joint. If you haven't yet installed the cooker tap onto your worktop, start with this first. In this video, we'll be using a Pro3 tank. The Pro7 can be installed in the same way. Turn off the mains water supply. Cut the copper pipe so that in the next steps the inlet combination valve can be placed as high as possible. Ensure that the cut pipe is free of any shavings. Fit a T-joint between the pipe sections. Next, place a piece of copper piping with a length of 5 cm into the remaining hole. The pipe and the T-joint are not supplied. If you haven't yet installed a tap tail adapter during the tap installation, do it now. These tap tail adapters are not supplied. Tighten the 2 clamping nuts firmly. Connect the pressure reducing valve onto the inlet combination valve. Be sure to connect it in the correct direction. Connect the completed valve onto the T-joint using the compression fitting supplied. Then connect the waste hose. Using the special drill bit supplied, drill a threaded hole into the waste pipe. Drill slowly so that the PVC doesn't melt. Then, carefully and slowly, drill in reverse to preserve the thread. Test the thread is good before fixing it permanently with PVC glue. Slide the waste hose over the PVC connector, then gently blow through it to ensure it's not blocked. Create a water lock in the hose by creating a U-bend or loop. This will block unpleasant odours from the waste pipe. Connect the waste hose to the ton dish on the inlet combination valve. Now connect the Pro3 or Pro7 tank. Connect it to the valve using the large fibre washer supplied and tighten it using spanners 19 and 24. If during the tap installation you haven't yet connected the tap, do so now. Connect the tap's cold and hot water hoses to the main supply using the hose screen supplied. Place the small fibre washer onto the tank connection and tighten on the boiling water hose with spanners 10 and 14. Connect the tap by plugging the LED cable into one of the 2 ports provided at the back of the tank cover. Insert the jack plug firmly so that no copper can be seen. Plug in the tank and switch on the power, but ensure that the cooker tank remains switched off for now. Check if everything is correctly installed, then turn on the mains water supply. Open the small stop valve on the inlet valve and open the cooker tap. Check thoroughly for leaks. Flush the tank through by pressing the textured ring down twice, then turning it. At first, the water may be black. This is activated carbon from the inbuilt high-tack water filter and is completely harmless. Switch on the tank by pressing the Q-shaped on-off button on top of the tank cover. The Q will now light up. Whilst the system is starting up, the light ring on the tap will glow constantly red. This means that the tank is heating up. Wait 10 to 20 minutes for this light to go out, then dispense boiling and cold water together until the boiling water runs cold. Then let it heat up again. After flushing, the system is ready for use. Now you'll always have instant 100-degree boiling water when you want it. The tap that does it all. Quooker